To record GST refund in QuickBooks Online, firstly we go to the dashboard, select the Taxes tab at the left-hand side. Okay, so after that we scroll down to the GST filing. Click the Action drop-down icon at the right-hand side and select Record Refund. After that, we select the bank that we like to record the refund. Make sure the refund button is ticked and check the GST period, GST due, and total GST due for the period. Okay, so after that, we just enter the amount that we receive the refund from the tax authority. After confirm everything is correct, we just have to click Save at the bottom right hand side. Alright, that's all to record GST refund in QuickBooks Online.